Hey everyone, my name is Bogdan and welcome to Acura Addicted channel. Today is the first channel's anniversary. First of all, thank you so much for supporting my channel throughout this year. This really means a lot to me. As I mentioned earlier, I wanted to thank all my subscribers. So this is the giveaway I promised. The channel just got over 500 subscribers last week. Therefore, if you apply, chances of winning are still pretty high. So share this video with people who might be interested in the topics my channel covers and consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, you can enter the giveaway at the link in the description to this video, or here. Here's the prize that the winner will get. A cool black high-quality t-shirt with Acura Addicted logo on it. Once the winner is determined, I'll contact this person for clarifying shipping details as well as the preferred t-shirt size. Remember, you need to enter the giveaway to win. Also, you can get additional entries by viewing one of my videos as well as subscribing to the channel's Facebook page. Just follow the instructions outlined at the link below. However, that's not all. If we reach the goal of 1000 subscribers by February 20th, there will be an additional prize. This or similar jump starter/power bank that is proven to jumpstart even a 3.7-liter V6 on my MDX. This is a very handy thing for those surprise situations if your car battery is drained and you need to jumpstart the car. Or you can use it as a power bank of high capacity to charge your mobile devices via USB. It can be charged by USB as well. I always keep this particular one in my car, and there have already been a couple of cases in the last year alone when it saved me or another motorist from being stranded on the road. I will be rounding up with the giveaway in 3 weeks from today, so stay tuned for another video. As always, leave your comments below and hit that subscribe and bell buttons for more videos on this channel. Thank you for watching. Good luck and see you next time. Here's the prize that the winner will get. A cool Here's the prize that the winner will get. A cool Повыше чуть-чуть, okay? A little higher, so it goes like this, okay?